Um, okay, so hello everyone. So I'm going to show you the changes in the dashboard for the different treatments for DataHacks Spring 2018. Right now, we can see the treatment number one, or no, only individual feedback. We have a specific text for each phase. Basically, the top is quite the same, just changing the phase dynamically. Um, Here we have the instructions to properly understand what is going on in the evaluation. Right now the scores are 0 in all the uh, rows because we are using fake data. This is just for uh, show you how it will be. Um, this is the confidentiality note, like we have this, and this will be the same for all the treatments. uh, Talking about the individual feedback is the same for everyone. Also here we have the number of saving events that each participant had. um, and now I'm going to show you the treatment number one. There is partially showing partially uh, the data from other participants. So in this point we have a different text that explain the user that uh, he or she will be able to see other participants code. um, Again, we have the personal score. It's the same test and in the your competitors um, tab we will have uh, the instructions for that, for to understand what this means and why they will be able to see the links. So in this point, for this demonstration, we only see the headers of the table because there is no proper data yet, but I'm going to show you how it will look in the next example. The only thing that changed basically is the text here, because we are explaining why they can see another people others participants projects. So that to end, we go to finish, we go to treatment number three, that is full transparency. So at this point, again, we show a different text here to explain that they are able to see this. So here we explain how to read this data and what this data mean. And here we have the data itself. This is a placeholder, um, and in treatment number one they will see exactly the same but without your rank column, so will be only projects and your competitors. um, Again, this table is different from the individual feedback because here we have this specific scroll, sorry, to make everything like more compact. But in the competitors we have the full table to avoid any kind of interference or behave any specific behave for the participant um, that could be uh, developed or encouraged by this kind of displaying. Um, and that's all. The main difference between treatments, besides of course the the data that we are displaying in terms of the tables within the tables, is basically the text that is here in the top of the table. The confidentiality note is the same for all of the treatments, um, both in the your competitors tab or in the individual feedback tab. We have exactly the same individual confidentiality note, but the text on top of the table change according to the kind of data that we are displaying, and also these data. Of course, in future phases, this text will be dynamic and they will see a slight difference, to ensure that to tell them that they are seeing data from other phase, and then they are able to see data from previous phases. And that's all. Bye.